So there we are. That's how we do it. Well, this is how it is in the camper. And there's the fridge all full of stuff. Managing to keep the kitchen pretty clean. I'm just keeping my vegetables in here. It's a good place as any to keep the flashlights. And just had my breakfast. Used a little whisk broom. Keep in here to clean up the floor. There's the evidence of the mess. So this is the deal. Very exciting. Guy photographing his truck. Like that's never happened before. Anyway, well, here's beautiful downtown Boron. A couple of cafes, library, motels, and the Aviation Museum, and the 20 Mule Team Museum and the Visitor Center all in one. So this is my rendezvous point for handing off a ham radio amplifier. And take a better. Here's the museum. They got a couple of jets. Got 3 home builts in there. I haven't been inside 20 years. And more downtown Boron. I don't know why this is Lancaster. We ain't in Lancaster. At the Boron Aerospace Museum. Here's some home builds. Very funky looking Jenny type high wing. What looks like a kit fox. Can't see in the viewfinder. Well, I cannot see. There it is. I think that this is a kit fox home built. And then this thing here, I'm not sure, but it might be a cassette racer. I'm not sure what it is. Well, the Dre man, he's not doing anything. 20 Mule Team Museum, Boron, California. That's me beating my head against the wall. I love it. Later,
we flew home and we had been
sending
our checks to our bank account. And the bank manager, when he saw
driving right into it
outside.
Well, here we are, park and ride, or in this case, a park and poop, outside of Concord. There's a wonderful freeway going by. Anyway, this is what it looks like when we're parked. Put out the cone, put out the step. Here's the way it is. Keeping it pretty clean. Getting ready to get on the road again.